Hi. In this short tutorial, we are going to present how we can use Jupyter notebooks in Mat3ra platform for data analysis. It's a great option for those who are familiar with Python. Here, we will specifically focus on how it can help us simplify the process of analyzing data obtained from DFT simulation. Let's head over to our platform, use a web browser and visit platform.mat3ra.com. We are going to create a DFT workflow to calculate band structure of silicon using quantum espresso. This calculation has 3 steps. First, we perform self-consistent field calculation. Then we add a unit for bands calculation. Finally, we add unit for post-processing of bands using bands.x. Save and exit workflow. Create a job with the workflow we have just created. Submit job for execution. Once the job is finished, we can see the summary of various results. Navigate to the Files tab, and we will see all the output files are listed here. Now we would like to do the post-processing of these output files using Python Jupyter Notebook. There are a couple of different ways to run Jupyter Notebook in our platform. Perhaps the quickest way to launch Jupyter Lite. Click the console icon on the top right and select Jupyter Lite. Let's create a new notebook and rename the notebook to Bands Analysis. Let's also open an example notebook. Here, we will see that it is entirely possible to perform all the steps from a Jupyter notebook, including authentication, workflow creation, job submission, job monitoring, and fetch results. Now, let's copy the authentication part and run inside our bands analysis notebook. It will generate API keys and authenticate user seamlessly. It will also install a list of default packages. Next, we initialize the job's endpoint. Then we would like to fetch the output file. For this, we need the job ID. Let's go back to job page and copy the job ID. We would like to fetch the bands.dat.new file for band structure analysis. Let's save the results in a file named data.txt. Finally, we can use matplotlib to make our band structure plot. This use case is not specific to DFT data analysis. You can use Python notebooks to analyze or post-process any data in our platform. Now, I hope you are excited to visit platform.mat3ra.com and give it a try. Thank you for following this tutorial and using our platform.